Enough na story, Zane. No more story. What's your story? No more story. You already told them your story. Oh my gosh.
Come on, Joey.
Oh, you tell them story. Oh, sige, another story. Oh, oh another one. Sige, tell them your story. Sige.
Into the zoo.
You went to the zoo. Oh, and then what did you do to the zoo?
Mama,
Then,
Mama with the zoo.
went to the zoo.
See the animal.
To see the animals. And
Lion.
the lion,
The
the tiger. What else you saw?
cheetah.
The cheetah.
The
What else?
truck.
Huh? Ostrich. What else?
Oh,
What else you saw?
Cheetah!
The zoo? Cheetah. Yeah, finish cheetah. Oh, finish na. Say it. Yoy, you're telling story and you left.